students, it's Mr. Fisher. I hope you're doing well out there during our distance learning. This week we're going to make some promotional items for our small business. Last week you made a business card and hopefully you used this website, Vistaprint. There's another video. If you go back to last week you can watch that, but today I'm going to show you how to make a shirt that features your logo on it. If you don't have a logo that you made in Google Drawing, you might want to do that first. Or if you just want to use the Vistaprint website and use their tool to type in a name, that's fine. You don't have to have your own custom logo. It's just more fun. So let me just show you. This is in Google Draw, and I just drew this with the text tool. And I decided just to redo it and also include my slogan, Studio Mojo, and a website link. You don't have to do any of that. If you want to use the one you already have, or if you just want to use their built-in tools, that's fine. If you want to do it this way, you make it in Google Drawing, and then you want to go File, Download as a PNG. This will be an image that you can then upload to Vistaprint. Make sure you do PNG so you get this checkerboard back here. That makes it transparent, so you won't have a big white box. If you did a JPEG, you'd end up with a big white square. So just do PNG, download it, and you can see I already downloaded mine right here. So I'm ready to head over to the website. I'll click on clothing and bags, and there's all kinds of stuff, and there's lots of other things too, but I'm going to do a t-shirt. I'm going to do a polo shirt. So they have some really expensive ones, and you can even go to their sister website and do like name brand. I'm just going to stick with this generic, and you can see they're pretty expensive. Here's a really cheap one, but I'm going to use this one. I did this earlier and I used a black t-shirt and it looks okay, but I'm going to try something a little bit brighter, like a white. I'll go down here and I'll just do XL. And just so you know, if you were planning ahead, you could do like 10, and you'll see that the price came down a little bit. Doesn't matter, but just you should keep track of how much you're spending. I'm just going to stick with one. You can see they're very expensive. That's why people usually buy in bulk. But I'll click Start Design. Cool, so you can just use these tools and add your name just as a text field. They even have, there's no image library, so if you just wanted to do the name of your company, you would do it through here. They do have some other drawing things you could try, but I'm going to start with image and do from my computer upload. I'll click on that and I'll go find my go-go bow that I made. Open it up, and I'm going to get a warning probably because it's kind of small, but it'll allow me to stretch it out. Is it going? Oh, let's see. Alright, well, for some reason it didn't just pop it in. So I'll just pick this up, place it over here. The first time I did it, it automatically put it right on the shirt. And you can see it's warning me that it's too small, but that's okay. I can just do move, resize, stretch it out, and it'll do a pretty good job of cleaning it up. And you probably want to keep it up high on the shirt. Okay? That's really it. I can zoom out and see the shirt. Okay, looks alright. Not great, but pretty cool. The last step is simply to click Preview. And from here you can take a screenshot, and that's different on all of our computers. But what I'll do is just center it, and then I'll take a screenshot, and you'll have to just Google how to take a screenshot. I'm using a Mac at home, so it's different than it would be on a Chromebook or any other different computer, but you'll find it. It's really easy. So I did that. Here's my shirt, and I'm just going to save it to my photos on my computer. And then from there you can just go to your Google Doc and you can insert it like I did with this one. And to insert an image, you'll just go Insert Image, Upload, and go ahead and grab your picture. So for this assignment, you're going to be doing a few different things. I'd like you to make a shirt or a hat for your employees to wear, so that's what this would be. And then I'd also like you to make some other promotional items. You could put your name of your business. It doesn't have to be the logo if you just want to use the built-in tools. But go find some other promotional items on their website. And just a reminder, make sure you get the price. And I forgot to write it down. So $26.99. So this was $26.99 for one shirt. If you bought more, you can just tell me you got a better price. But just a heads up, there's lots of other things you can do in here. You can make a sign, which I'd love to have you make a poster or a big banner. You'll see all kinds of cool stuff. Car magnets, bumper stickers. So just pick one of those. Do a shirt or a hat for your employees. And then some other giveaway items like promotional products. Could be pens, USB flash drives. Nobody really uses mouse pads anymore, but you could do that if you wanted. You can even do nice different water bottles, backpacks, you name it. It's all going to be the same. You just use their tool, do the preview, and then take a screenshot and paste it into your doc. Also, just make sure you know how much you're spending. That's it. You can email me with any questions. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.